What's going on there, guys? It's your boy Dylan down here at the Mellow Vapes here in Indian Land. Gonna be going over another product today. It's gonna be by the one and only company of Vaporesso. This is gonna be the Vaporesso, Renova Zero. This is gonna be a pod style system. Let me open up this box, get this bad boy out. It's gonna be a pod style system that is auto draw. It's small, it's discreet, fits in your hand nice and well. Packs a pretty good punch. It hits anywhere from 9 to 12.5 watts. It is 5 clicks on. Device is already on, so I'm not going to power it off for the video. But it's got 3 different settings on it, from low, medium, and high. 1, 2, 3. 3 clicks is going to get you between those guys. Blue's going to be your medium setting. 1, 2, 3. It's going to go to red. Red's going to be your low setting. And then 1, 2, 3. And it's going to go back to green. Green is going to be your hardest hit. I'm assuming on a fully charged battery, that's going to be your 12.5 watt hit. 1, 2, 3. You go back to your blue setting. I'm assuming that's anywhere from 10 watts to probably 11 and a half, give or take. It doesn't give you any specifications on that. It just gives you the fact that it's on the medium setting. But this guy takes an Android charger, does include one in the box. We'll go over that here in a second. But the pod itself holds 2 mils of juice. And this is the one particular thing I thought was really cool about it. I feel like they kind of copied Aspire on this just a hair, the Aspire AVP pod style kit in particular. This guy has a little hole right here. And you can't just put your bottle in there and squeeze it and expect it to fill it up. It's actually got a spring in it. And you got to mash it down and then squeeze your bottle to get it to fill up. And then obviously when you pull your bottle out, it's gonna rise back up, cut that off with this little rubber O-ring and seal it off. You will eventually probably have some leaking after the coil burns up. So like anything else on a refillable pod style system, you'll have to buy a new pod. It's not the end of the world. But in the box, let's get down in there. Open up your little tiny box that comes under everything. It does come with your push to fill bottle. It does say it right there. Push, fill, and done. So it makes filling your pod style system pretty easy. A lot of your smaller salt nicotine bottles, like Solace in particular, already comes in a little 15 ml bottle like this. Like VPN, I'm Chad, and Fitzelli in particular, those are 30 milliliter bottles. They pretty much have the same style tip. You shouldn't have any issues with that. But moving on, does come with your little tiny packet with your warranty information through Vaporesso. Comes with your fancy dancy instructions. Already went over mostly everything that is in there. And then one of Vaporesso's finest charging cables that they give out with literally every system that they have. It's almost like a metal braid almost. Really, really nice quality products from Vaporesso, I will say. But the Renova Zero is a pod style system I will definitely be picking up, letting you guys know how I enjoy it as you come down to the shop. It is auto draw, has a 650 milliamp hour internal battery. Kind of excited to see how this guy hits. Haven't put any juice in here yet, but stay tuned, guys. I'll let you know how I like it. But that's all I got for you today. Come on down, check them out. We got a bunch of different colors. I just opened up the rainbow for a display, so I wanted to go over that one with you guys. But as always, you guys have a wonderful afternoon, and thanks for watching our YouTube. You guys take care.